Hey family, Grand Rising y'all. Grand Rising, how are you guys doing today? Cutting her up some fruit, y'all. She's gonna have fish, shrimp, and fruit. Fish, shrimp, and fruit for clear my throat for lunch. Don't ask why I got this big knife for this first one I grabbed. It's the first one I grabbed. How's everybody doing? Y'all, I'm thinking about going live today for our mukbang. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I am, though. And baby girl want to make some slime, so yeah. Got her fish and shrimp going, y'all. Her fruit. I have more groceries coming this morning, so we're gonna have another grocery haul. Put this in here, let it stay cold. Have grapes and strawberries. Woo, y'all. Keep going. Keep going, fam. Keep going. Keep rising to the top. We just about done with the paperwork we gotta do so far. I think we have one more today. Some stuff gotta be signed. I'm excited so I can be putting out videos, more videos for y'all. Yep. Fish and shrimp. You need to take this shirt off. You took all this off so I can do your hair. I can't do your hair with all this on now. So take it off and put that off your hair. So after I get done with this, I can do your hair. Okay. Just take that stuff off. Make sure everything is done as far as your hygiene, your face, teeth. Okay. When I get done with this, you do your hair. But you guys, I just wanted to give you guys some words of encouragement. I do her hair. She wants 2 puffs with her little bows.
I didn't say 2 puffs.
I mean 2 buns. Excuse me, 2 buns. And so that's what we're gonna do for her today. These pants is fine. But y'all, I'm excited. Get closer and closer. The closer I get, the closer I get to you. That's what I'm saying about my new place, y'all. The more you make me feel. Y'all, it's been a long time coming, like Jesus. No, it's your daddy. It's a long time coming, man. Stepping out on faith, man, you know. You just have to trust that the Most High has you. No matter what you lacking, what you think you lacking, what you think you don't know, you know, what you think you cannot do, you can. You just got to have faith and pray and stay focused and do your part at the end of the day. That's exactly what it boils down to. You doing your part as well. Yeah. over here. What's in the food? Yep, y'all. I need the rubber band too. So grab them out. Just grab them out the rubber. So I can just get through with this and go straight to doing your hair. Y'all, I was up last night I told y'all I'm buying all new pots, pans, everything. We started completely over. So I'm in there all putting all my pots and pans in the cart. I'm so ready. Y'all, I just smile every time I reach a milestone, and no matter what milestone that is, I'm proud of myself. You gotta be proud of yourself. My girl getting big, y'all. Mama girl. I can't believe how big she done got, y'all. I'll be looking back because I'm cleaning out my phone because I'll be getting a new one too. Everything is gonna change, number and everything. I'll be looking back at the photos and I'll be getting in my feelings because she has grown fast. Both of them. Kids have grown fast. My kids have. I don't know about nobody else's kids. My kids have grown. And last year, they're getting tall, smarter. I'm so thankful for them, y'all. You know, you hear people say that their kids saved their life. My kids saved mine. You know, as they should.
Honey, I saved your life.
By being born, coming into this world, loving me, showing me what unconditional love is. Whoa. I broke it. Which probably ain't a bad thing because it got to fit in your container.
You gotta cut it.
Nah, I don't. Because it already broke up. I definitely need some new parts and pans, and I can't wait. She trying to act like she don't want no love from me.
I said I don't want to move.
One day she's like, yeah, next girl, she's so wishy-washy. One day she's like, yes, mom, I can't wait to move. Then she like, I don't want to move. But she'll see. It's for her and my best. And her brother best. She'll see, you guys. I got you some hot sauce. I didn't know if you was gonna want none or not, so I went on ahead. Got you some. You didn't ask for none. You said you didn't want none last time, but this time I went on and fixed you some because I knew she was gonna want some. Piece of what? You only gonna have one piece to take for lunch, man.
No.
With your shrimp. This is what a hot water is.
Yeah, I want one piece for school.
Okay. Your choice. Your choice, my love. However you want it. Today's Taco Tuesday, y'all. So I'm trying to decide if we're gonna do our mukbang live, which we probably just do it live today. Because we haven't been live in a minute. So we're gonna do that live, and I think we're gonna make some slime too tonight.
Who?
Me.
You do what?
Make that slime. Finish making that slime that you got in there. Can't keep waiting. Can't keep waiting. You gotta get up. We'll just have to do something else.
I want to play slime.
We'll have to do something else with him.
I don't know. Let's go slime.
So you want a piece or not?
Yes.
So that's the plan. I'm going for my walk this morning. Get it out the way.
What is this Ziploc for?
Oh, I already got your fruit. And you can go ahead and get your fish. Whoop, broke it.
Oh, that's okay.
Probably should have stuck it in up first. Take it to the table so I can put this in here.
I want hand soap. A little hand soap.
Nah, you don't need that this morning. You don't need no hot sauce this morning.
Ow!
Told you it's hot. You sitting up there. Fish, her napkin. Her fruit. And her hot sauce. Got her little hot
And
sauce.
my hot sauce.
Her fish and shrimp, her fruit, her hot sauce. Her chips. Her gummies. I forgot to put her juice with that. And her Capri Sun. And that's her snack and her lunch, you guys. I'm about to do her hair. I hope y'all have a good day, a good morning. Hope your kids have a good day. I hope everybody's work day goes good. Drink your water, mind your business, wash your hands. We love y'all. Bye.